Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for shopping theme and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this bang, and then you're going to use this makeup style, and we're going to go to the jeans area right here and then wear this jeans. Okay, and then I'm going to color it black, and for the flower I'm going to color it pink. For example, this pink. Okay, and the next one I'm going to go to this necklace area, and then I'm going to wear this earring, a necklace, and also the belly ring. Okay, and I'm going to grab this glasses, and I'm going to choose above hat. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this bag, and I'm going to wear this one as well. Okay, for the pink bag I'm going to make it, I'm going to change the toggle and I'm going to make it on right hand. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area. Okay, I'm going to wear this item. Alright, and we're going to choose top. I'm gonna wear this one. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this sleeves and toggle it 3. Okay, then the next one I'm going to wear this shoe. Okay, and let's match the color. For the top I'm going to make it pink. I'm just going to choose this pink, and for the sleeve as well. Okay, and then for the shoe I'm going to make it pink for the second selection. Okay, I'm gonna wear this pink, and for the first selection I'm gonna make it white. Alright, and for this bag I'm going to make this, let's try this gray. I'm going to make it denim. Okay, and for the second selection I'm going to make this pink. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.